everyone. Hasini comes to the pledge. India is my country. All Indians all. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of history and value heritage. I shall always try to be Madhya Office. I shall give my parents